Hello everyone, and welcome to your 6th grade ELA class. I'm Miss Morris, your teacher. Life is stressful right now, and things are changing every day. But we can still create a classroom where everyone is comfortable. Even if it means you have to advocate for what you need. Or that you have to say, I'm sorry, if you hurt someone. And realize that everyone has bad days. Everyone has good days. And days that are in between. But as long as we're respectful, we will succeed. During our first week together, we will learn how to use Schoology, the site you're on right now, get to know each other, build growth mindsets, and create our classroom culture. In order to do this, we must start with strong expectations that we hold each other to. Our class expectations are: be on time for class, be on task, try to avoid using your cell phone, be kind. There's no reason to be mean to anybody else in our room. We need to make a place where we're all feeling comfortable to be kind to each other. Be honest. If you have a concern, let me know. Let your classmates know. And lastly, be yourself. It's most important to be yourself. Thank you. Now we're ready to get started on some of our assignments that will show us how to use Schoology while also learning about you.